Get it. Come on, Bubba.
I know. You can do it.
He's like, I'll find something else to play with then. There you go.
There you go.
He
Yay!
got it! So
You
excited.
did it!
James, you got it. You got it. And to the victor goes the spoils. James. Yeah, you did it. You
Yeah,
did
so
it.
today is March 6th. And James officially started crawling this morning.
Good job, Bubba.
Yay!
Yeah, good.
Alright, say bye-bye. Mama's gotta go study.